Everyone knows that laptop computers aren't made to work on your lap. They can get hot, uncomfortable, and even fall. This is My Place, a personal laptop workstation that may change the way you use your laptop forever. It may be the most versatile table in the world. No more propping, no more overheating, and no more sore wrists and back. My Place is compact and lightweight with fold-out legs that create a stable workstation no matter where you work. It conveniently adjusts to your desired height and angle. The patented design and quality construction will support and protect your computer so you don't have to. My Place is perfect for the bed, or working on the couch, or anywhere you just want to get comfortable. Simply adjust the angle to any of the 8 preset positions for ultimate ease. My Place even has a mouse pad that angles with you. And there's more. My Place has a built-in LED light wand that flexes to any position. Never disturb your partner again because it's perfect for reading in bed without having to use any other light. My Place is great for college dorms, apartments, or anywhere space is limited. And when you're done, My Place folds flat for easy storage. Got little ones? My Place folds out even more to create the perfect coloring table. Or how about breakfast in bed or answering emails by the pool? My Place is the why didn't I think of that invention of the year. It's 9 tables in one. Just look at all of the uses. So stop fumbling, stop propping, and get your very own My